Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Can I have more whoops? Ginger me up. Okay, we're going a little bit more of it now. I'm a classics girl. I love classic music and I love Sting. So I twisted his Englishman in New York. I don't know if you know the song. And since I'm a Yoruba girl in New York, I said I'm going to sing it the Yoruba way. Yeah. Oh, listen to the words, okay? I don't want burgers, I want jollof rice. I like my peppers and my spice. And you can hear it in my accent when I talk. I'm a Yoruba girl in New York. See me walking down the subway with my head back on my head. I don't have it on right now, but I take it everywhere. I take it everywhere I go. I'm a Yoruba girl in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Yoruba girl in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Yoruba girl in New York. Manners make it manners, someone said. He's the hero of the day. Take some time to suffer ignorance and smile. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal alien. I'm a Yoruba girl in New York. Oh, I'm an alien. I'm a legal no matter what they say. Be yourself, no matter what they say. Thank you very much. I'm Tosin.